Hey guys, welcome to the help screen. This is how to make people not see your private servers in Roblox. So guys, once you open up your Roblox player, from here, open up the game that you have a private server with. So for me, I have a private server here on the floor is lava. So guys, just click on it. And then from here, just scroll down and I'll go to the servers over here. And guys, on the servers over here, as you can see, I have my own private server. And in order for you to do this, guys, just click over here, the three dots. And from here, click configure. And then after that, guys, as you can see, we will have multiple options. We can change the server name. Just click over here. And we can also toggle allow joining and disable joining. This allows us to make our server private or public. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.